Hey, yeah, we open. You come around the back. Come around the back, bro. I got you. I got you.
Under the cover of night, two men stalk the side of this Miami home. One in a red hoodie holds a black box blinking green. Then in a matter of moments, steals the signal from a key fob inside, allowing his accomplice to use a second device. He pops open the door of this SUV, and the pair drives away with another man's car.
Once they unlocked my car, the one gentleman came in. Apparently he disconnected something, and then they started my car and drove right off with it.
This type of crime has been going on for years.
Brazen criminals caught on camera.
In 2016, NBC News reported on a string of similar car thefts crisscrossing the country from Seattle and California to New York. Now, though, a crescendo of stolen vehicles traced to this mystery device. Defined by AWS Insurance as a two-part system, which works by capturing the code being transmitted from the keyless fob remote to the car and sends it to a side relay box. The device can then start the vehicle if there's a push-button start. It might look something like this, with one thief standing by the house and intercepting the signal from the key fob, which can be up to 30 feet away, then passing it off to thief number 2 and his side device, which tells the car it has an authentic signal. All of this in under 60 seconds. How are people getting their hands on this technology?
So in order to conduct these relay attacks, you need a piece of technology that's very readily available. You could buy it online. You could buy it on Amazon. They have legitimate purposes other than stealing cars.
The technique can be deployed at shopping malls by following a person with a key or from right outside your home, showcasing how vulnerable we are to this high-tech attack.
We're certainly seeing an increase across the entire nation of criminals figuring out how to exploit keyless fobs in order to steal cars.
All right, Sam Brock joins us now live from Miami. So, Sam, what's the advice law enforcement has to stop these thefts from happening? I mean, what should you do with your key?
It's a lot simpler, Tom, than you might think. For about $6 at Home Depot, you can buy something like this, a black box. They sell pouches as well, $6 to $12. You stick the fob inside here. It blocks the signal that the fob emits. Experts, Tom, even say you can use tin cans. That would also disrupt that signal. The key is do not leave your key, no pun intended, at the front of the house, right by where the car is, because then it's in closer proximity. That would raise the risk of you being susceptible to something like this. And it's also notable, Tom, that some car companies like Audi, BMW, and Mercedes have already tweaked the formula a little bit so that their fobs stop emitting signals when the fob isn't moving. Tech experts say all car manufacturers should be doing just that.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.
This is ABM, Alternative Broadcasting Media, brought to you by GordonGlobal.org. I'm your host, KinGGrolle.